Hello, Solomon here. In this video, you're going to learn how to build your own coupons website. If you're an affiliate marketer, having a coupon website is a great way to get a lot of commissions because people go online searching for coupons. And when they land on your website and click on your coupon code, your affiliate link is activated. So let me show you what is on the website and then what you can expect to learn from this full video. Okay, this is the website we're going to be building in this video tutorial. On top, we have this navigation bar, and to your left, we have a logo, and my website name is called Coupons. Okay, you can upload your own logo. You can also use your website name as your logo. To the right, we have menus, and with your menus, we have home, about, and your contact. Below, we have a hero area, and this hero area contains this big banner. Okay, I'll show you how you can, or I'll teach you how you can create this banner in Canva. I created it in Canva. Okay, it's a template. I only customize the text. So let's scroll down and see what is on the website. So visitors will land on your website and then see different coupons to different products. Okay, so the first one happens to be an affiliate link and a coupon to ClickBank products. Okay, so here are a list of coupons they can view. So your visitors will click on the read more. After they click on read more, the coupon area will be displayed, okay, or the coupon will be displayed. So what they'll do is they'll click on this particular area. So after they click on it, the coupon code will be copied to the clipboard, and at the same time, your affiliate link will be activated. So this is going to be a win-win situation. So if this person decides to make purchase, what happens? You are going to get commissioned for that. Okay, so let's wait for the link to load. My affiliate link is loaded successfully, and that means if I should go ahead and make purchase, then the owner of the website is going to get credited or get commissioned for that. And at the same time, I'm getting my coupon code to make my purchase. So it's a win-win situation. Let me take you back to the website. Good. So I'll show you how you can display this coupon code thing here. Okay. And then show you how you can create coupons. You can go ahead and post comments on the website. So I'll click on the logo to go back to the home page and show you what is on the website. After that, we'll see how we can build this exact website. So we are back to the home page, and then we'll scroll down, and here are additional or some coupons your visitors can still exploit. Okay, now this is an actual or a real coupon code. Get 50% off hosting Makio host. Okay, so this is my coupon code. So if a user clicks on this particular link, read more, and decide to click on the coupon code, after clicking on this coupon code, the code is going to be copied to the clipboard. So after he or she clicks on the coupon code, my affiliate link is going to be activated. And that means if I make purchase, then the owner of the website is going to get commissioned. So I hope the idea is very simple, guys. Okay, so let's wait for the link to load and then take us to the actual landing page. And here we are. Okay, so my affiliate link is activated. Good. Now let's go back to the website. And the last thing we're going to be doing is to create our footer. So let's go ahead and see the things we were needing in order to build a coupon website gets like this. It's very simple, guys. Wait, but before that, let me tell you the potentials of having a coupon website. Do you know the number of people who go to Google searching for coupons before making purchase on a particular website? So let's say on eBay, people go to Google to search for coupons before they can make a purchasing decision. Okay, so coupon websites is going to be a profitable thing if you decide to do it and do it properly. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, there are two things you need: a hosting account and a domain name. If this is your first time hearing these terms, please just pause. Let me explain. So when we talk of hosting, it is just like a place where your website is going to live. Okay. Now your domain name is also going to be the address. That address people are going to be typing your website name.com. Okay. People are going to be typing on browser to get to your website. Okay. Facebook.com, Google.com, YouTube.com, your website name.com. These are called domain names. Okay, so you need a hosting account and a domain name. So in this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process of getting a domain name and web hosting. Now, the speed and performance of your website mainly relies on the hosting provider you pick. So it's always recommended to go with a reputable hosting provider that performs well, so that your website will also perform well. Okay, now you also need something we call SSL. Okay, and SSL is nothing but this padlock you see here. Your connection is secured. You need SSL. Your hosting provider is supposed to give you an SSL. Okay, you're not supposed to buy it separately from your hosting provider. So that is SSL. So the link in the description, the first link or the second link, will take you to a page just like this, and this is makigohost.com. Okay, now my website is hosted on makigohost.com. My clients' websites are all hosted on this hosting provider. So after clicking on the link in the description, it will take you to a page just like this. You scroll down to this part of the page and then choose their shared hosting plan. Now this is the hosting package we need to build this website. Okay, so the shared hosting package is going to work fine for your website. All right, so now we scroll down a bit and then click on other hosting, and it will take us to their shared hosting page just like this. You can read more about their shared hosting package or page, and then scroll to this part of the web page. You can see choose your preferred hosting plan, your preferred plan. MakigoHost offers 3 basic plans. That's Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. So these packages come in handy depending on the number of websites you want to build and the number of storage you may need. Okay, so that's something you need to do. That's the specs. Okay, so with the Go Basic, you can host one website with 20 GB SSD storage. Okay, now SSD storage is the latest storage technology. So let me take you to Google and we make a quick Google search and then type SSD versus HDD. I want to show you the differences, and then you can click on images. Now, see this first image? Just click on it. Perfect. Now, when we talk of performance, comparing SSD versus or to that of HDD, SSD performs faster, okay, than HDD. So let me take you back to the hosting page, and you can see they offer SSD and not HDD. If a hosting provider offers at this 21st century still offers HDD, please do not offer other web hosting from them because they are using old school technology. All right, so that is something for you to keep in mind. With unlimited bandwidth, a lot of good things here. Free domain name. If you are going with MakigoHost for the first time, they'll give you a free .com domain name. Okay, you can always use this to read more about what it is. Same renewal price. If their prices are to increase, your price is locked. Your price will not be affected. Okay, so you're going to renew it the same price you ordered. All right, so that is it. Now click on other hosting because we need this basic plan in order to continue the tutorial. All right, so the Go Basic plan, and I have coupon code in the description. I'm giving you 50% off, and this is a partnership with Makigo host. Okay, so click on other hosting. And on this page, you enter your domain name. What is the name you want to give to your website? So I may say my first website.com. So let's try that one and see. So my first website, and click on check. So it will go ahead and check to see if this website is still available. And unfortunately, my first website is taken already. All right, it's taken. We can't register this name, so let's add something to it. But you have to be creative and come out with your own domain name. Okay, so let's say my first website for tutorial.com. So for this is a long name, don't try this. Okay, so for, okay, let's say 2022.com. and let's check to see. Perfect. Now the domain name, my first website 2022.com, is available. Now if you don't want .com but you want something like .net, this is where you choose that. So .net, .org, biz, info, this is where you find them, and they are called TLD. All right, so congrats, our domain name is available. Scroll down and click on continue. Okay, perfect. Now this is a config page, and this is where you see your package, your current package. Okay, and you scroll down and you can see an option for your billing cycle. Do you want to go them 1 month? Go with them for 1 month, 2 months, sorry, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Okay, so unfortunately Makigo host, they don't offer month-to-month basis, it's yearly. Okay, so they want to see your commitment upfront, and you can also, this way you can also test their performance. All right, so the month-to-month basics don't guess work. So by default it is on 12 months, so you can leave it as it is. But if you want to go with them 2 years or 3 years, you can also choose that, but it's always recommended to go with them year-to-year basics. Now you scroll down a bit and you can see some additional services they provide, and the first one happens to be Google Analytics integration. Now if you're building this website, you need some sort of tracking to see your website visitors, where the traffic is coming from. Okay, it helps you target your market, so you can add that to cart if you want it, and it's a one-time payment. The second one is protecting your WordPress website from hackers, and the website we are building is a WordPress website, so this will be very good for you. Okay, but if you don't have the money, forget about it. And the last one is Makigo host will verify and put your website on search engines just like Google. Okay, after building this website, it will not be on Google automatically. You need to do it manually. Okay, so if you want them to do it for you, this is a one-time payment. You can also choose that there, and after that you click on continue. Okay, so click on continue, and it will take you to domains configuration page. This is where you add your domain add-ons. So the first one happens to be DNS management. Forget about that. The second one is ID protection. Please, if you have the money, you can order it. Okay, because it is going to save your or protect you from email spams and a lot of things. So it will hide your identity on the internet. That's the shortest explanation. And the third one too, forget about that. So if you have the money, go with ID protection, but if you don't have it, just untick it and then click on continue. Good. Now we are brought to a review and checkout page. Now this is where I'm going to be giving you the code 50% off. So type 250 and then click on validate code, and you will pay, you will now be paying $17. So you pay $17 today, but next year you will renew it at $48. So every year this is going to be your cost. This is your annual cost. when it comes to hosting. Okay, so let's click on checkout. Now this is our checkout page. Now please enter your personal details and billing info to checkout. So you enter your first name. So I'll enter my first name, which is going to be nyezinahsolomon, and I'll enter my email address, my street, my city, my country, and most importantly your password. You can also use password generator from a QHost to get a secured password. So if you want it to be 20 character long, you can choose it like this and then click on generate password, and your password length will now be longer. You see that, with a lot of encryption. So this password is secured. Now you can copy it and then insert it to cart, and your password will be pasted. But make sure you copy this password somewhere, you paste it somewhere safely, all right, because that's what you will need in order to log into your hosting account. And after that, accept to their terms, choose your preferred payment method. Paystack is always my preferred payment method because it works well for me. You can also choose something like in crypto. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital currencies, you can choose that there. And after that, you can join their newsletter, okay, and then or their mailing lists. You can also ignore it and then click on complete order. This way your account will be created upon payment and your dashboard will be created, and you will be redirected to that dashboard where you can start the whole creation process. Okay, so I'll take you to the dashboard and then show you how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so already I have an account with them, so I'll meet you on the dashboard. Alright, so welcome to your hosting dashboard. After completing the order, you will be redirected to a page just like this. This is your hosting dashboard. So I'll be walking you or showing you various important areas of your hosting dashboard. So the first one happens to be your services. So this is where you're going to see your hosting package and everything about your hosting package. The next one is your domains. Because my domain name is an external domain, that's why you're seeing 0 here. But in your case, you should have something like 1 here, 1 here. Okay. Now the next important thing is your account info. So you can update your account details here. Click on update, and then your details will be updated. All right. Now you can see here, just click on your hosting package. Okay, so click on your hosting package, and it will take you to a page just like this. This is where you see your general statistics of your account, your disk usage. Okay, so this is where you see your storage and your bandwidth. See that? And the next one is your website. So if you click here, it will take you directly to your website. And the next one is add-ons and extra. These are the extra services MakigoHost offer. Now when we were ordering web hosting, okay, there was a point we saw these add-ons or services. So if your website is a WordPress website, and because we are going to be building a WordPress website, you can decide to choose this service because it's going to help protect your WordPress website from hackers. Okay, so if you didn't order this, you now have the chance to order it directly from your hosting dashboard, and then you can click on purchase and activate. If you don't need that, but you need your website to be published to Google, then you can choose this one and then purchase. Likewise, Google Analytics and then purchase. Good. To your left, you can see a panel, the actions panel. You can click here to go to cPanel. Now cPanel is where you're going to be managing your website files. Okay, so that is cPanel and a lot of things. So you can click here to request for cancellation, upgrade your plan or downgrade, change your password, and a lot of things. And we scroll down, you can see some quick shortcuts here. The first one happens to be emails. So if you want to create a business email, something like support at your website name.com, something like support at google.com, support at nsolotech.com, then this is where you do that. Because you are going to be building your own website and doing your own business, you need a business address and not a business email and not Gmail. Okay, and a lot of things here. So you can create your email here. So something like, maybe let's say support at your website name.com, and then you can enter a password here, and after that click here create, and your email will be created. After that you go to email accounts, and then that's where you see your emails. Okay, so this way I've showed you around various areas you need to know about your hosting account. So let's click on log into cPanel, and I'll show you what cPanel is. So click on cPanel, and this is cPanel. This is where you're going to be managing your website files. Okay, so you can see file manager, and from the beginning of the video I explained to you that web hosting is where your files are going to be stored. Okay, so you can see file manager. This is where your website files are going to live. Perfect. And you can also scroll down and see your email account. If I take you there, you see my email accounts and a lot of things. Okay, so that is web hosting and cPanel for you. Alright, so I've showed you different areas of your hosting account and your cPanel. Now if you like my content, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way anytime I release videos like this, you are notified. If you are not clear about something, remember to use the comment area. That's why the comment section is there for you. Remember to give me a comment. I'll be able to, I'll help you. And if I'm not able to help you, I will redirect you to the rightful resource. If you're excited, then stick around, because we're going to start building this website. In this part of the video, we're going to install and set up WordPress. If this is your first time hearing something like this, WordPress, don't worry, let me explain. Now, WordPress is a content management system, CMS for short. It's a platform or a software we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. Thanks to WordPress, we can now build websites within hours without hassle. Now, WordPress powers more than 455 million active websites online. And talking about percentage, it powers between 37% to 43% of the entire internet. Okay, so let me take you back to your hosting dashboard, and then we install WordPress. Okay, so on your hosting dashboard, you click on services. Now click on your package. After that, to your left, you can see log into cPanel. Click on it. Now this is your cPanel. Okay, so on top here you can see search tools, type software clause. Okay, so software clause, and the first link, click on it. Perfect. Now this is where your scripts are. The first one happens to be WordPress, so click on install. Perfect. Now this is where you set up your installation URL. Okay, which URL or address do you want to install your WordPress on? Please choose your URL or your website address here. Okay, and in this field in directory, make sure you empty it. Okay, and leave everything as it is. Now scroll down a bit, but here in the protocol, make sure you choose HTTPS. Okay, so click on it and make sure it is HTTPS. If you want, you can also choose HTTPS / www. Okay, you can choose this. You can also choose this, but I will not recommend the HTTP without the S. Okay, so this one. Now your site name, enter your website name here. Okay, for tutorial purposes, I'm going to enter first site, okay, or first website, or my first website. Now the site description, I'll enter this is my first website. But in your case, you should enter your site description. Okay, now to your right, you can see admin account. This is going to be your login details or your login credential to your WordPress dashboard. So make sure you enter a strong admin username and a strong admin password. From there, you have admin email. Now enter an email address you have access to, okay, so that anytime you want to reset your password, the confirmation email will be sent to this particular email. All right, I hope it's clear. Now you scroll down a bit, scroll down, and you see install. Click on install, okay, and then scroll back to the top and wait for the installation to reach 100%, and this will take somewhere 3 to 4 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Perfect. Now congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Now the first one happens to be your website URL. Now the second link is your website, your WordPress dashboard, your WordPress admin link. Okay, so you can open these links in new tab. Okay, so you open this link in a new tab and then open this one too in a new tab. Now you go back there and currently this is how your website looks like. It is ugly. Don't worry, we are yet to build it. Okay, now the second link, perfect. Now this is your WordPress dashboard. This is where you're going to be managing your website pages and a lot of things. So in this part of the video, I'm not going to show you how to set up your hosting, your WordPress dashboard the right way, and then where to configure what. All right, so first thing we want to do is, you see here screen option, click on it, and we want to clear our screen. Okay, these things, I don't like it. I want to clear everything so that, so I'll untick, and untick everything. So go ahead and remove that. I don't like seeing these things on my screen. Okay, some of them may be important, but for now I want to make my screen clean so that I can start work. Perfect. Now to your left, you can see this black panel with some links or some menus here. Now this is your updates area. So if you have an update, this is where the alert will be displayed. So currently I have one update. Okay, a post. If your website is a blogging site, this is where you create your blog post and do a lot of things. Okay, now media, this is where you see all your files, something like your videos, your audio, your images, and a lot of things here. Now pages, this is where you create your website pages. So we will be talking about that just in a minute, so just bear with me. The next one is comments. Now if your website is something that people will be commenting on, this way you see all the comments. You can approve comments, disapprove comments, delete comments, ban users from commenting. This way you do that. Now appearance, this is where your website design will rely on. Okay, so up until now I've not explained what a theme is, so let me use this opportunity to explain what a theme does on your WordPress website. So when we talk of a theme is nothing but a software that changes the appearance and look of your website. Now let's say you want to build an e-commerce website. You will need a theme that can perform e-commerce functions. Let's say you want to build a blogging website. You may need a theme that will perform blogging functions. So that is theme. Now the next one is plugin. So with plugins, these are also softwares or piece of script that changes the functions of your website. So let's say you want your website to behave in a certain way. You can install a script or a plugin with those capabilities that will give your website that feature. Now the next thing is users. Now if your website accepts new registration, this is where you see all the users. You can add users manually, and then you can see their profile. Then the next thing is tools. For now, let's forget about that one. Now let's go to settings, and this is where you're going to be setting your website. So for now, you can go to general and click on it. And this is where you can set your site title. Okay, so you can enter your site title here. If you don't like it, your tagline, this is your site description, your website URL, your site address, a lot of things here, your admin email address, you can change it. Now if your website is a membership site or is a site that allows people to register account, please make sure you enable this thing. Okay, and then scroll down, you can see user rule. Default user rule is subscriber. You can leave it. Now you can talk of your site language. You can choose that here. Time zone, your date format, as well as your time format, and not forgetting of the week start on. So you can choose it here, Monday, Sunday, or okay. And then you remember to save the changes here. Perfect. Now the next thing is writings. For now, let's forget about writings. Okay, now the next important thing is reading. So let's click on reading. Good. Now this is where you assign your home page. Okay, so you can create a page and then assign that page as a home page. For now, we don't have something like that. Okay, so don't worry, but first you enable this and then choose your home page here, and after that you save the changes. So that's where you find that. Okay, now the next thing is discussion. If your website is a blogging website and you don't want people to be able to comment on your site, this is where you can control it. Media and permalink. Okay, so with permalink, let's click on permalink because it is very important. Okay, perfect. Now permalink talks about your website links structure. Okay, now look at this. Take a good look at these links. Now the first one happens to be plain. Now if you set this one, your website is going to have some sort of ID attached to it. Now the second one will display your website / the date you created those pages. We don't want that. The next one too is month and name. It will display the month you created those pages. We don't want it. So it's always recommended that you choose post name as it displays your website address / the name of the page. Okay, so this is the best settings, and then you scroll down and then click on save changes. Okay, perfect. Now permalink structure updated. Good. Now we are good to go. So this way you have successfully configured your home page, I mean your WordPress dashboard So we are now going to begin installing our required plugins and our theme to build our amazing website. Okay, so guys, bear with me. Hello, this is one of the moments we have all been waiting for. In this part, we're going to install our theme and our required plugins. To install your theme, simply hover on Appearance and then click on Themes. Scroll back to the top and then click on Add New. Now, in this search box, type coupons. Coupons. Go ahead and install the first theme, which is this one. Okay, so click on Install. We have successfully installed our theme. We need to activate it, so go ahead and click on Activate. Our theme is activated successfully. Now, right now, the theme is recommending some plugins for us to install. That way, the theme can work properly. So on top, click on Begin Installing Plugins. Now, here are a list of recommended plugins. On top, click on this checkbox and then click on bulk action and then click on Install. After that, apply the action. Good. Now click on Return to Required Plugins Installer. Perfect. Now our plugins are installed but not active. Again, click on the checkbox and then click on Bulk Actions. After that, this time we'll click on Activate and then apply the changes. Good job. Our plugins are successfully activated. The next thing we're going to do in this part of the video is to go ahead and delete any extra theme we have on the website. It's recommended, or it's always a good practice to have only one theme. So go to Themes. Good. Once you are here, click on this particular theme, the themes that are not active. So I'll click on this 2022 theme. And to your lower right corner, you see delete. Click on it to delete this particular theme. Excellent. Right now, hello. In order to make this website a complete coupons website, there's yet one plugin we need to install in order to do that. So to install this plugin, hover on Plugins and then click on Add New. Now on top, you can see the search plugins box. Click on it and then type coupons. Okay, so coupon and wait. Scroll down this page and install this exact plugins. Okay, this plugin. So click on Install now and wait. Good job. The plugin is installed successfully. Let's proceed to activate it. So click on Activate and wait. Click on Skip. Great. You'll be brought to a page just like this. You can scroll down a little bit and then watch this video about the plugin. But because I'm showing you how to use the plugin, there's no need watching this video. So you can scroll down a bit and then click on create your first coupon. Okay, so in this part of the video, we're going to create our coupons. So we'll start listing our coupons. After that, we'll render these coupons at the front end of the website. So let's do that. You can click on create your first coupon here, or to your left, you see this coupon option. You can use this coupon option and then click on add new coupon. Okay, both of these options will take you to the same location. So click on add new coupons. Let's go ahead and create our first coupon, because this is where we're going to be adding our coupons. So the first one happens to be your coupon title. Let me take you back to my website and show you where the title will be. So this is the demo website, and when you scroll, you can see this exact title on top, get 60% off ClickBank products. So this is going to be your title. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. So go ahead and type it in there. Good. But in my case, I already have my title typed in somewhere. So let me go back to my desktop and then bring it. And then I'll open it. Good. Now, the first one is get 60% off ClickBank products. Go ahead and enter your title. Okay. So I'll come back here and then enter my title here. Now, the second option is coupon type. Are you creating a deal or coupon? This video is a coupon website, and I'm showing you how to create one. And because of that, we're going to leave it as it is, and then we enter our coupon code here. So my coupon code will be 60% off. So I'll click here. And then type 60% off or ClickBank 60. Go ahead and enter the coupon code here. So I'm going to enter my coupon code, which is bank 60. After that, I'll paste my affiliate link here. Go ahead and put your affiliate link in this box. Okay, so I'll take you back to where I have my document. Simply click here, and then I'll copy my affiliate link. And this is a demo affiliate link. It's not a real one. So I'll copy it and then come back to this link, and then I'll paste my link here. Good. The next thing is your discount amount or text. Okay, so go ahead and enter your discount text. So my discount text will be 60% off. And finally, you enter your description. So the description is going to be what people are going to be seeing before clicking on your coupon. Okay, so tell them more about this exact coupon. Again, I'll go back to my document, and then I'll copy this text. So I simply copy this text and then paste it here. Good. Now, finally, I'll click on publish. But if this coupon has an expiration date, go ahead and enter that date here, telling people that this coupon will expire on this exact date. Okay, now the last options are for pro users, those who are using the paid version of the plugin. So leave it as it is, as it works best for every free user. Now scroll down and see coupon preview. This is how your coupon is going to look like on the website. You can see the exact text we entered on top here is displaying just beneath here, and this is the code. So the user will click on it, and this code will be copied to the clipboard, and then your affiliate link is going to get activated. I hope the idea is very simple. So what we will do is we'll go back to the top and then click on publish. After this coupon code is published, I'll add one more coupon code. After that, we'll start this. Our first coupon is live. Let's go ahead and add our second coupon. So I'll paste my coupon title here and then leave the coupon type as coupon. I'll enter my coupon code here, which is going to be this one, but you have to enter a legit coupon code. After that, paste your affiliate link here to this particular product. So I'll paste my link. For tutorial purposes, I'll simply put something random there. Now your discount text, enter it here, which is going to be 20% off. Okay, so you enter 20% off there, and finally enter your description. So for the description, I'll go to my text, my document, and then copy what is here. Simply copy what is here, but you have to type the actual text. Okay, and I'll grab it and then paste it here. Good. Now click on publish. So this is our second coupon code on the side. Now I would like to go behind camera and then add the rest of the coupon codes and then see you after that. All right, so I went ahead and added 3 additional coupon codes to the website. So let's go ahead and then view these coupon codes. Now you go to coupons, click on coupons, and this is where all your coupon codes are going to be listed. And as you can see right now, we have 5 coupon codes on the website. Okay, good. So now let me show you how you can display these coupon codes. Now in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can display these coupon codes on the front end. So to display these coupon codes, you simply create what we call post, just like you do on a blog. Okay, so to create a post, hover on post and then click on add new. Okay, so I'll simply open this in a new tab. I will simply type my title, my post title here, and then enter. In my case, I've copied it, so I'm simply pasting it here. After that, you go below and then click this area and then enter your description, the post itself. So I'll take you back to my document and then I'll copy my text, copy the exact text, and then I'll paste it here. Good. After that, you leave some space, so you hit enter. Good. Now to your right, click on this plus to add a block and then click on short code. If you cannot find this, type it on top here and it will display. So click on short code. Perfect. Now let me take you back to the coupons area. Good. Now we will have to copy this exact short code. So you copy it, copy, go back to your post, and then make sure you paste this code here. So paste it here and then click on publish and click on publish again. Good. This way the post will be published to the website and the coupon code will start displaying on the front end. Let's go ahead and add our second post. So I'll add new post. Now you enter your title about this coupon code on top there, which is add title here. So we add it there. In my case, I'm going to open my text document and then copy what is here and paste it there. So I simply grab this exact text, but you have to type it. Okay, so I'll enter my title here, and then I'll go to my coupons area and see the code about that. Okay, so this happens to be Alibaba coupon code, and I'll take you there. So this is Alibaba, so we grab this exact shortcode, copy it, and then go there. But first you have to paste your description. Okay, so paste your description before doing that. Okay, but first I can add it before pasting my description. So I'll click here and then click on shortcode. Perfect. Now I'll paste my code here. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is to now add my text. Okay, so to add your text, you can simply click on this particular plus again, and then this time you can put paragraph. Okay, so paragraph. Perfect. Now enter your text. It doesn't matter the arrangement. Okay, so this can be on top. Okay, but it's always a good practice to have your description above your coupon code, but you can also leave it this way. It doesn't matter. Okay, so enter your description. So you can type it manually there. You can also copy it somewhere and paste it. So I'll take you back here, and then I'll copy this exact text. So this is my demo text, and then I'll simply paste it here. So Control V, paste it. Perfect. Now, all right, so let's say you want to move this exact description to the top. Okay, so you simply click on the text itself. Okay, the text, and you can see this exact arrow. Click on move up. So you click on it and they will rearrange. Okay, so I think this arrangement is going to work best for you. Okay, so you click on publish and then click on publish again. All right, our second post is up and running. Let's add our other post, okay, and integrate our coupons shortcodes. So to add, click on add new post. Go ahead and enter the coupon title. So I will go back to my text, and this time this is going to be my title, which is ClickBank product 60%. So I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here. Now I'll enter the description for this exact product or affiliate product or coupon code. I'll go back to my text editor, copy my text here. So simply copy it and then type it here or paste it. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Good. Now leave some space. Great. Now to your right, click on this plus to add a block, and then click on short code like this. Perfect. Now this is a coupon code for ClickBank product. Okay, so go back to your coupons and copy that short code. So let's see, where's ClickBank? Okay, so this is ClickBank product. So I'll simply grab my coupon code here. So I'll grab it and then copy it here. Perfect. Now go back to your blog area and then paste your code here. Fantastic. Now click on publish. And then click on publish again. Good. Now our third post is up and running. So I hope the idea is now clear. Okay, now let's go ahead and view all our posts. Okay, so to view your post, you can simply click here to go back to your post. So click here to view post. Good. So right now we have 3 posts on the website. Now if we click on or go back to your website, you will see your post displaying right away. So let's open our website in a new tab and then see how these posts look like on the website. So let's open the website. Perfect. Now you can see this is how it would look like. So these are, I guess, like blog posts. Guess that there's an option there, or you have added coupons to them. So a visitor will just click on read more, and the coupon code will be revealed just like this. Now the user will click on this particular coupon, okay, and after he or she clicks on it, the code will be copied to clipboard, and then your affiliate link will be activated. And after he makes a purchase using your coupon code, and definitely he's going to make purchase because he has found this exact coupon code on your website and he's using it to save his money. Okay, so I think this is a great method, okay, and it's going to be a win-win situation. So let's now go ahead and then let me now show you how you can change your website name should in case you have problems with that. After that, we will create our pages and then display them as menus here: home, about, and contact. Okay, so to change your website name, simply click on customize. Now click on site identity. This is where you can change your site title, and your site title is the same as your site name. Okay, so remove and then type your own website name there. In my case, I'm going to enter something like this: coupons, and then I'll enter my website tagline. Okay, it's a short description about your website, so you can see best coupon site. Okay, coupons site, like this, and then you can upload a website logo. Okay, so if you don't want your website name to be displayed as your logo, you can enter or you can upload your own logo there. Okay, so this is where you find it, and after that click on publish. And we have successfully published the changes. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is to create pages. Okay, so we're going to create pages. Simply click on this plus to close everything. Now to create your pages on top, that's plus new. Okay, that's add new, and then page. Click on page. Enter your first page, which is home. Okay, so home, and then publish it. Okay, but before that, below you can simply type your text here, but because it's a home page, you don't have to do that. Okay, it's your, let's say, your privacy and policy page that you type, your about or your about us page that you type. But with the home, we don't want to do that, so don't type anything there, just leave it as it is. Okay, and then just publish the changes. Now we have published this page. Let's go ahead and view the pages we have on the website or going further. So click on view pages on top here. So click on it. And right now you can see we have only one page, which is home, and that is fantastic. Okay, so on top, add new. So you add new page, just click on it to add your second page. This time we're adding contact page. So contact page, and then click on publish, and click on publish again. Perfect, the page is live. Okay, and finally we click on add new page again, and then add our about us page. Okay, and then you simply type about. So about is okay, and then click on publish. Now in this part of the video, I'll show you how you can create your menus. Okay, so to create your menus, simply close this particular thing. So click here to go outside this page. Now hover on appearance and then click on menus. Appearance, menus, click on it. Now if you have any like an already created menu, please go ahead and delete it. Just delete everything. Okay, delete everything. Make sure everything is deleted before moving forward. Good. And it's supposed to be blank, empty. Go ahead and enter your menu name. So you type menu 1 here, or main menu, or primary menu. After that, click on create menu. Okay, so you click on create menu. After you click on create menu, to your left, click on view all, and then this time you can see we have two pages here as home. Just choose one. Okay, so I'll pick home, about, and contact, and then click here to add them to the menus. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll simply remove everything and show you from scratch how. So just wait for me. All right, so this is exactly how it's going to look like, blank. So you simply select your pages, those pages you want, and then you click on add to menu. Good, and the pages will be added like this, and then you can click on create menu. This way we have successfully created our menus. So let's say you want this about to be on top. You simply click on it and drag it to the top. Okay, if you want it to be below the contact, you simply drag it to that particular area. Okay, and leave it there. I hope it's simple, and then remember to click on save menu. Good, this way you have successfully created your menus. Now after viewing your website, you see that the menus are created and they are arranged just like those here. So let's go ahead and view our website and see how the menus are arranged. So I'll hover on the website name and then click on visit site. And as you can see, our menus are just arranged as those we created at the back end. You can see that. Good. So finally, we're going to display a banner below our header, our navigation bar, just like the one we have on our demo website, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you can get this exact design from Canva. Now, if you don't know what Canva is a graphic design tool we use to design this kind of things. Okay, so go to Canva and then click on create a design. After that, click on custom size. Okay, so click on custom size. Custom size. Now enter your dimensions. So that is 1170 450. So the brief is 1170 450 450. After that, click on create new design. Okay, good. Wait for it to load. Now after it loads successfully, to your left you can see templates. Make sure you are there and then scroll down a bit, so you can go ahead and choose your own design. Okay, and customize it. So you scroll down this page and then choose your own design, the one that looks good. Now this is the one I used, just that I changed the background color. So we simply click on it and automatically it will be applied to your canvas. Okay, your dimensions. Good. Click on the background, this area, okay, this empty area, and on top you can see the color. Click on the color to change the background color. Okay, in my case I'm going to change it to something like orange. So I simply click here and then choose my orange color. And then I'll drag my color picker to this portion. Good. Now I want to change this circle at the back. So I'll click on the circle. After clicking on the circle, you can see the color here. Click the color. And to your left, choose a different color for it. So I'll choose blue. Good. And then you can change this text to whichever text you want. So simply click on this text or double click on it to highlight, and then I'll put best coupon. So I'll come down to this second text. So I'll drag it to the right. Leave it there. Reduce the font size. So I'll use this minus thing to reduce the font size and make sure it fits on the page properly. Good. Now I can use this particular thing to drag it below or to whichever location I want. Then I'll leave it here. Next is this one. So I'll simply click on it and grab it. I can also drag it below a little bit. Now I can decide to delete this particular thing or drag it to align like this. So this is a matter of you designing the way you want to. Okay, so I'll simply double click on it to highlight everything, and then I'll put site or website. Good. It doesn't look good. Guess that I want to show you how you implement this on the website. Okay, so go ahead and design it. After you design it, you click on share and then download it. Okay, and right now my internet connection is not good. Okay, so I'll simply delete this element. Perfect. So I'll leave it now. After successfully designing it and downloading it, okay, you click on share and then download it. After you download it, go back to your website and then go to appearance, and below there's an option there, header. Click on header. Okay, so this is where we're going to upload our banner. Very simple. Now once you land there, you can see header image. Okay, header image. So let's go back one step. Good. So you click on header image. So you click on header image. Now click here to choose your image. So add new image. Click on it, and your image size should be 1170 by 450. Okay, so click on add new. Go ahead and upload your image banner, your banner. Okay, so I'll click on upload. Click on select files. Choose your banner. Okay, so go to wherever you have that file downloaded, you choose it, and it will be uploaded to the website. Okay, so just wait. Now after it is uploaded, click on select and crop. Okay, just below select and crop, and then click on skip cropping. So click on skip cropping. Perfect. Now click on publish. Good. After clicking on publish, you can see that the banner is now displaying on the website, okay, as the hero area. So this way you have successfully completed a full tutorial on how to build coupons website. Now let's go back and then see how the website looks like, and after that we will say bye bye to this video. Now let's reload this web page. Okay, so type your website and then see how it looks. And here we go. So after reloading the website, you can see the banner is now displaying on the web page, and we scroll down, you can see here are our posts to our coupons. A visitor can click on read more. Okay, so I'll click on read more, and the coupon code will be revealed. Now I'll proceed to copy this code, and right after I click on it, your affiliate link will be activated, and the code will also be copied to clipboard. Okay, and then I'll be able to copy this code at checkout and then make purchase on discount. And that is it, guys. It's not complicated. Okay, so I hope this video has been very informative. If this is your first time on the YouTube channel and you're not subscribed, do me a favor by subscribing to the YouTube channel. That way, anytime content like this is released, you are notified. Videos like this always take me like weeks to make. If you like my effort, the effort I put onto this YouTube channel, go down, like my videos, subscribe to the channel, and follow me. That way, anytime content like this is released, you are informed about it. All right, bye bye, and have a great learning experience.